my video teaching moment, I was given the student sample 2/3 times 6/12. Then the student tried to solve this problem by finding a common denominator between the fractions. To do this, they multiplied this 3 by 4 to get a common denominator of 12, and then did the same in the top, so in the numerator, did the same, multiply by 4. I see that this is a misconception found in table 15.2, misconception number 1. The misconception is that the student is actually solving multiplying fractions how you would for adding and subtracting fractions. So they're finding that common denominator, and then their next step is multiplying across. So they multiplied the 8 by 6 and got 48, keeping that same denominator of 12. I want to help my student figure out how to solve this correctly, and to do so, I'm going to give these naked numbers some context. So for my story, I have, consider that you had a birthday party and you have leftover pizza. You have 6/12 of a pizza left over. So the pizza was originally cut into 12 pieces, but you only have 6 left over. Now we know that we are taking 2/3 of that 6/12 because we're multiplying. And when we're multiplying, we're taking a portion, so maybe this portion right here, out of this fraction here. Back to our story context, so we have 6/12 of a pizza left over, and you and a friend want to split it, but you have to save part of it for your brother later. So that means that you and your friend are represented by this 2 here. So this 2 right here is you and your friend. And then the 3 in the denominator is how many total parts you're trying to break apart that 6/12 into. Now your goal is to figure out how much of the pizza you and your friend can eat. In order to split this into 3 parts, we know that 1/3 doesn't fit in here equally. It's too much. You can't take 3/3 from 6/12. So we're going to have to get smaller here. We're going to have to use a 1/6 to split this equally into 3 parts. Now if I line this up here, you can clearly see that 6/12 can be split into 3 parts. To help you visualize it better, I'll kind of draw this here. There is 1 part, 2 part, and 3 part. So 1, 2, 3. Now, back to taking 2/3 from our 6/12, we have to count how many 12ths are being taken out. So we have 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12. So I know that my friend and I can eat 4/12 of the remaining pizza. And this is equal to 1/3 left. So you and your friend can eat 1/3 of the remaining pizza.